All right, what is up, guys? We are here in my apartment. I'm going to walk you through on how to create a Shopify store. I know I've been talking to some of you guys on the low, and you guys want to be showed how to do this. So first things first, you're going to go on the web, google.com, and you're going to type in shopify.com. This is going to be fairly simple and easy. It's going to be like a 20-25 minute video, but watch along. I'm going to go real slow so that you can keep up. If you do need to go back, you have that option. Other than that, let's get started. So we are going to go to shopify.com, and then we're going to hit start free trial. Perfect. Once we get here, it's going to be the first thing you should see. It says, let's get started. Which of these best describes you? Since we're brand new, we're just going to be hitting this one here. I'm just starting. And then where would you like to sell? We're going to be we're going to be using an online store to sell. So we're going to hit that. It's already checked for us. Hit next. And then what do you plan to sell first? So it says pick what you want to start with. Will help you stock your store. So here at this part, you don't really need to know what you want to sell. If you do, that's good for you. But yeah, we can just skip this part. Just gonna hit skip. All right, and then here it says, what would you like to name your store? So this is optional because later on in the video, we'll be able to go into our Shopify dashboard and be able to change our store name. So for now, you can hit skip, or you can just name it anything you want, and I'm gonna name it globe.com, I guess. All right, perfect. You see that it just populates globe/.com, etc. Shopify.com. Then we're gonna hit next. All right, it says, where will your business be located? I'm in the United States, so for countries and regions, I'll check United States. But if you're in, let's say, Ukraine, you can check Ukraine. Yeah, pretty much got every country here. So whatever country you're in, just make sure you go find it, and then click on it. Then we're gonna hit next. All right, and then here it says create a Shopify ID. So you can create one using Google. If you have your Facebook account up on your laptop or computer, you can use that, or an Apple account. I'm gonna just continue with email. I created a brand new email solely just for this video. So I'm gonna hit continue with email, and then my email that I created is right here. So we got Johnny Max at yahoo.com. I think that was 4 X's. So I'm gonna type in Johnny Max at yahoo.com. This is where you're gonna enter your email. I would recommend you to create a brand new email if you don't want it to get like mixed up with your personal email, because this is gonna be the email where all your businesses, your business orders and products and whatever, anything that's related to your business, this is the email that it will go to. So johnnymax at yahoo.com. And then I'm just gonna set up a password for it. Password strength weak, who cares? So let's see, you're gonna hit create Shopify ID, and then here you can hit save password or not now. I'd recommend you to hit save password if you're not like the type to save your password or write it down, I guess. So I'm just gonna hit not now. What happened here? All right, let's do that again. All right, oh, I think it just wants me to log on, so I just type in that password, hit not now. Perfect. Now our store is being built. It's gonna take some time. It's just building your store. It actually doesn't take that long. It's about like a minute, tops 2 minutes. Building your store, perfect. All right, perfect. So this is the Shopify dashboard. I don't want you to be overwhelmed here. It's very simple. I know it looks like a lot. I guess it could be a lot, especially if you're not familiar with this. But over here you got your home page. Here you got your orders. This is where your orders will show up whenever someone purchases something from your store. And then we got products. This is where you'll list products. You can find products to sell, and then you'll link them from whatever supplier you're getting the products. And you'll just hit add products. But I'll walk you through this a little later in the other video or in the private Discord that we have going on. And then here you got customers, finances, analytics. It's going to show you like the amount of sales that you're getting, sessions, conversion rate, like how many people come onto your site and actually purchase, the average order value, and then return and customer rate. Just all, pretty useful information. And then we got marketing, right? Everything's zero as of now because I haven't done anything. And then you have discounts. So discounts is pretty cool also. So if you wanted to create a discount for your store, say it was like Black Friday and you wanted to offer like 20% off all the products that you were selling, you can go into discounts and create a discount, and the discount code could be like Black Friday, and what you'll essentially do is go on your website, set up a Black Friday discount. Like you'll have like a sign on your website so that people know that you're running a discount as of now. So they'll just go in and type in whatever code that you do create. So for example, if you created a Black Friday sale and the code was Black Friday, you'd put in Black Friday, create discount, and then customers will come on and hit and type in Black Friday during checkout and then be able to get that 20% discount. Sorry if that was a little too much, but then we got the online store. I'll show you guys this a little bit later. Perfect. Or I'll show you right now. All right, so next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna create our website. So we're gonna go here, online store. I want you to, hit online store, and then you'll see themes, blog post, pages, navigation, preferences. All right, so we're gonna hit themes. As you can see, the current theme right now is Dawn. So the themes are basically the websites that you're gonna create, right? There's different themes for different, websites. For example, we got Dawn here, we got Refresh, we got Craft. So whichever one of these you choose, that's what your website would kind of look like, right? We got Sense, Ride. So what we'll do is go to Visit Theme Store so that we can see all the list of options that we have when it comes to building our website. So over here you got price. There's free themes. So if you hit free, 11 themes that Shopify currently offers. We got Taste, Refresh, Origin, Dawn, Studio, Sense, Ride, Crave, Craft. And then there's some paid themes right here, about 103 of those. They could be kind of pricey. For the themes, I definitely would not recommend using a paid theme, especially when you're new. But later on, once you start making money, say you're making like $20,000 a month, then it makes sense to like upgrade your theme, because the better theme you have, so when customers come on your site, the navigation of your website would be more user friendly, more appealing, and it just makes more sense, like less transaction fees, etc. All the good stuff, right? It's just a better experience for the customer. But yeah, you don't want to do that until you're actually like making money and you have a solid business. So for now, we'll just hit free theme, and then here are the different industries. So whatever you're selling, it could be like food and drinks, electronics, clothing, pet supplies. It's gonna populate what it thinks it's gonna be best for those products. For now though, I'm gonna choose Sense. I like this theme a lot. Perfect, right? So we're gonna hit once we click on the theme, we're gonna hit try theme. I don't know why it's okay. I think I need to log on. Sorry, let's fix that. Come on. Don't do this to me. Oh, here we are. Okay, sorry. All right, so we're gonna hit the theme store. Let's see, hopefully this works. I don't know why that gave me that message. So choose whatever theme you want. You don't have to choose the same theme I'm choosing. Try theme. What is going on? Oh, I think I'm already on it. Oh yeah, I am. All right, so hit try theme, and then you're gonna go here and you're gonna hit add theme. So as you can see, our current theme now is Dawn, but I just added Sense, so I switched themes from Dawn to Sense, and it's loading right now. It's installing the theme so that I can use it to build my website. Just gonna wait a little longer. Alright, perfect. It looks like theme was just added. As you can see, Sense just added. Then what you want to do next is hit publish. This is going to publish your theme so that it's, you know, the current theme that you're using for your store. We're going to hit publish. Again, guys, you don't need to choose the same theme I'm choosing right now. This is just an example. You're more than welcome to. You could also stick with just Dawn, right? Perfect. All right, we are here. We just added Sense, as you can see. That is our current theme, and if we want to take a look and see how it looks, as if you were looking at it like from a customer's point of view, if you were just on your website, you'd go here, online store. We haven't done anything yet to the website, so it's gonna look a little weird for now. But yeah, so this is how it's gonna look, right? I named my store globe.com. Let me just scroll down. This is basically the layout of the theme. It's gonna look different depending on which theme you choose. All right, just gonna exit out of that. All right, perfect. Now that we're here, just gonna wait a little longer. Make sure you guys are caught up. All right, perfect. All right, next we're gonna go to settings. And this is where we're going to choose our Shopify plan, right? So we're going to go to plan. And you're going to go to choose plan. All right, perfect. So here, as you can see, there's like the basic, the Shopify, and then the advanced here. So you got your beginning, middle, and then end. I recommend starting with the $1 US dollar per month for 3 months for a total of 3 months. It's very cheap. So you're gonna hit this, choose this plan. All right, perfect. And then we're gonna go here, confirm billing cycle. It's $1 for the first 3 months, right? And then you're going to need to fill out all your information here. So you're going to be using a debit card, a credit card, or whatever. I don't know what you're going to be using to pay that $1 a month fee. So you're going to type in your first name, your last name, your address, city, state, zip code, phone number, and then you're going to hit save address. But I will just ignore that for now. All right, once you do that, you'll go down to the payment method because you're going to need to pay the $1 per month to Shopify. So you're going to put in your card number, you're going to put in the month, you know, the year, the last 3 codes on the back of the card, and then your first name, last name, address, you know, etc., all that good stuff. You're going to hit add card. It's not going to charge you yet, so honestly, you can just skip this part if you wanted to. If you don't have a debit card or a credit card that's currently active, you don't need to do this right now. But if you do, this is how you do it. All right, perfect. Now that we got that out of the way, we are going to go and choose our store name now. So remember earlier I told you guys when we were first starting out that it wanted you to input a store name, but you had the option of skipping it. I chose globe.com, but now is the chance to go in and actually change your store name. So we're going to go to settings, we're going to scroll down, and then we're going to go to domains, right? We're going to hit domains, and we're going to hit buy a new domain. So depending on what you want to sell, if you're not sure what you're selling yet, I recommend you not doing this part. But say you knew what you were going to sell. Say you wanted to sell globes, for example. You would then type in something that makes sense for selling globes, right? So it'd be like globes.com. Let's just use this for an example. I'm going to show you guys. It's probably unavailable, which it says here, right? Unavailable. These ones here are available, like globes.com.ag, but you don't want to use a domain that ends in like, a .com.shopify.com.ag or whatever the other extensions here are, right? You want your store domain name to end in a .com. It looks more legit. Customers won't be weirded out once they're on your store and they're like, what kind of domain is this, right? So we're going to try to figure out what variations would work with globes and see which domain is available. So fantasticglobes.com. Perfect. This one's available, right? So we'll just hit buy. This is when you're ready and you understand what you're going to sell. Then you go here, put in your domain name. We'll search it up. If it's available, it'll let you know. If it is, then you'll hit buy, right? Just say buy. All right, perfect. I didn't actually buy it because my card's not on link, but it's gonna want you to enter that information a little later. All right, now that we got that out of the way, perfect. We're gonna go back to settings. Or we're going to exit out of settings. We're going to go to home. Sorry about that. All right. And now we're going to set up our settings and our policies and our shipping and all that good stuff, right? So we're just going to go to settings. And here you can see the different options you have, like your plan, users and permissions, payments, checkout, shipping and delivery, taxes and duties, locations, and so on, right? So we're going to go down to policies. All right. And right here, perfect. You see where it says refund policy? This is going to be the refund policy for your store. We're going to hit create from template. So here, as you can see, it says already, like, we have a 30-day return policy, which means you have 30 days after receiving your items to request a return. Me personally, when I start a store, I give them only a 10-day return policy. So I changed the 30 to 10 days. But here you can do whatever you want. You can have a 5-day return policy. You can do a no return policy. But it's very important that you do this so that customers understand that, once they're buying something from your item, there's a certain amount of days they have until they can return the item, or if there's no returns, right? And then here, we're going to erase this part right here. You can always contact us for any returns, questions, johnnymax@yahoo.com. I'm going to show you what to do later with your email. Perfect. And then privacy policy. We're going to erase this right here also under refunds. You see where it says johnnymax@yahoo.com. All right. And then here, it says privacy policy. I also want you to hit create from template. Right, and then all this stuff is going to populate, as you can see. Hope you're following along. All right, and then terms of service, we're going to hit create from template once again. And this is like all the information that's going to be at the bottom of your website. And then shipping policy, we're just going to leave this empty. I'm going to show you guys in private exactly what I do. for the shipping policy. So you know who you are, boys. I'll show you that later on. And then contact information, we're gonna hit create from template. As you can see, it's just gonna create from template. We can leave the email as johnnymax@yahoo.com. We'll go in and change it a little later, so that when customers do want to contact you, it won't actually say johnnymax@yahoo.com. I'm gonna hit save. All right, store policy saved, as you can see. Perfect. And then one last thing I want to show you guys. There's going to be a little more after this, but for now I'm going to show you the last thing that we can do, just so we can stay ahead of the curve. All right, we're going to add some apps to our store, right? So we're going to hit browse drop shipping apps, and the apps I want you to add, sorry, it's going to load. All right, so these are the apps that we can add to our store. So I'm gonna want you to go to, let's say, okay, we got ZenDrop here. Click on ZenDrop. You're gonna hit add app. Perfect. Once we get here, you see this install app option right here. You're gonna hit install app. All right, perfect. Let's see, holiday special. You don't want to look at that right now. And then from here, I'll show you guys what to do here, but you can create a password, confirm the password, put in your phone number, and then preferred contact method, whatever it is. I'm just gonna ignore this part, and then we're gonna go back to Shopify. We're gonna exit out of here, and then we're gonna search for another app. So go to search up here on the bar, hit apps, and then we're gonna go to Ali Express, and hit enter. All right, let's do this one because I like Ali reviews. So we're gonna hit Ali reviews, add app, right? I want you to add this app also. Okay, perfect. Install app. All right, perfect. We're just gonna leave this here. I'm gonna show you guys later on in episode 2 or version 2 of the video of the course, or whatever you want to call it, in the private Discord, what to do next. But for now, just do that, and then you can just exit out of this. The app is installed in your Shopify account, and exit out of this. And then we're gonna go to settings. We're gonna do one more thing. We're gonna go to payments, and here, as you can see, there's the supported payment methods. You got PayPal, Amazon Pay. As you can see, it's incomplete, and then Amazon Pay is inactive. And then you could add payment methods, right? So this is gonna be the place where you add like your bank account or whatever account that you have, so that when customers come on your site and they make purchases, the money gets deposited into your bank account. It's how you start making money. You can then use that money to fund your business, pay for advertising, buy products once customers like send you the money, etc. Right? All that good stuff. So we're gonna hit add payments. Here, let's see. Sorry about that. Activate Shopify payments, right? All right, so you're gonna have to put in your address. I didn't do that, but once you do this, you add your address and your name, etc., all that good stuff, which we already did about like 10 minutes ago. I didn't do it personally, so it wants me to do that. We'll go here, add payment methods, and then a page will pop up, and it will give you the option to enter your routing account number, your account your account number, your routing number, your account number. That way, when people do purchase stuff from your store, the money gets deposited into your checking account. If you have PayPal, then you can complete the account setup for PayPal. But other than that, that was everything for now. If you have any questions, I'm going to be in the Discord. I'm going to let you guys know what to do next. I'll walk you through it step by step if you have any questions. So other than that, I'll see you guys later, boys. But that was everything, and we are about 60% of the way there. And yeah, I look forward to showing you guys the rest. See ya.